Uncovering the secrets of the Eiffel Tower vertical bar, a jaw-dropping Paris journey. Have you ever stood beneath something so magnificent that it silenced your thoughts? Something so iconic, its very silhouette tells 1,000 stories. Welcome to the beating heart of Paris, where dreams take shape in wrought iron. Welcome to the Eiffel Tower. The year was 1887. Gustave Eiffel, a brilliant engineer with a controversial vision, proposed a structure so bold, so absurd to the Parisian elite, that nearly 300 artists and intellectuals signed a petition calling it an eyesore. But Eiffel, the man behind many bridges and buildings, didn't flinch. 2 years, 2 months and 5 days later, the Eiffel Tower stood at 300 meters tall, the tallest man-made structure on Earth at the time. It was originally built for the 1889 World's Fair, meant to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. Ironically, it was supposed to be dismantled after 20 years. Yet today, over 130 years later, it stands stronger than ever, a testament to innovation, persistence, and the unapologetic boldness of Paris. Building the tower wasn't easy. Over 18,000 iron parts and 2.5 million rivets were used. Workers braved wind and height with little more than rope harnesses. Safety measures were, well, pretty primitive, but Gustave Eiffel was ahead of his time, insisting on strict standards and safety protocols. Remarkably, only one person died during construction, a rare feat in that era. The real struggle, public opinion? The French media mocked it. Locals called it the metal asparagus. But Eiffel believed in vision over validation. He famously said, "The French will come to love the Eiffel Tower," and oh, how right he was. Top 3 must-visit spots near the Eiffel Tower. 1. Trocadéro Gardens. Just across the Seine River, the Trocadéro offers the best view of the Eiffel Tower. Especially at sunset, when the tower lights up and the fountains sparkle, this is where you'll capture your most Instagrammable moments. 2. Seine River Cruise. Take a boat ride and witness Paris from the water. Pass under romantic bridges, glide by Notre Dame and feel the city's soul come alive in waves. 3. Rue Cler. A charming street just minutes from the Eiffel Tower, Rue Cler is a Parisian secret of its own. From fresh croissants to creamy cheeses and fragrant flowers, this street bursts with the flavors and colors of Parisian life. Locals know this spot, but honestly, few tourists stumble upon it. Tucked behind Avenue Rapp, this quiet square offers a stunning, unobstructed view of the Eiffel Tower, beautifully framed by Art Nouveau buildings. It's romantic, peaceful, and away from the crowds. Bring a coffee, sit on a bench, and just let the magic of Paris sink in. Want to stay near the Eiffel Tower without breaking the bank? Well, consider Hotel Eiffelturms. It's clean, chic, and only a 10-minute walk away. Or maybe Le Village Montmartre, a cozy hostel option with great vibes. And don't forget Airbnb studios in the 7th arrondissement, perfect for couples or solo travelers who want a bit of that local feel. Foods you must try near the tower. First, croquet monsieur, a Parisian grilled ham and cheese sandwich that's honestly ridiculously satisfying. Second, crêpe au Nutella. Just find a street vendor near the tower. It's simple, sweet and, well, unforgettable. Third, duck confit for a real treat. Book a dinner at a nearby bistro like Chez L'Ami Jean. So here are 3 funny but real traveler moments. First, tiny elevators. Don't be surprised. The Eiffel Tower elevators are small, like squeeze in and don't breathe small. Second, mid-visit weather shifts. You could have sun, wind and rain, all in the same hour. Paris is, well, moody. Third, people mistaking you for a local photographer. Carry a camera and someone will ask you to take their picture. It's basically tradition. Safety in Paris? What travelers should know. Paris is generally safe, especially in tourist zones. But as with any big city, watch for pickpockets around busy metro stations and tourist sites. Don't flash cash or valuables. Stay alert at night, especially in unfamiliar neighborhoods. Police presence is high and emergency services are responsive. Just use common sense and you'll feel at ease. 5 incredible facts about the Eiffel Tower you didn't know. First, it can actually grow. The tower expands by up to 6 inches in summer due to the heat. Second, believe it or not, it was once yellow. In the early 20th century, it was painted in shades of yellow. Third, there's a secret apartment. Gustav Eiffel built a hidden apartment at the top, which is now visible to visitors. Fourth, it was almost demolished, twice. Once after the First World War and again after the Second World War. Radio antennae, in fact, saved it. Fifth, it's repainted every 7 years with over 60 tons of paint by hand. As twilight cloaks the city, the Eiffel Tower begins its nightly sparkle. 20,000 lights flicker across its frame and a hush falls over the crowd. Came to Paris to see the Eiffel Tower and you will, you say, but I found so much more. I found a piece of the world's heart. If you felt the magic of this journey, give this video a thumbs up. But what I love the most is you, being part of the journey by supporting and subscribing to Estemor Traveling the World. Let's discover the wonders of this planet together, one breathtaking story at a time. Visual. Fade out with soft Parisian jazz and aerial views of the Eiffel Tower lighting up the night.